Hello, my name is Chip. I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here at Sparks Toyota. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla S. It has a clean CARFAX report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, color key door handles, and keyless entry. The Toyota Corolla is a strong seller for the automaker and regularly comes in at or near the top of compact sales charts. The Corolla has 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for the convenience and safety. And as you can see, the Corolla is in great condition. It has multi-reflector halogen headlights with black sport trim along with fog lights, daytime running lamps, and a really nice grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with automatic transmission. The Corolla has front wheel drive and it's estimated that the driver receives an impressive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that Corolla has only 32,042 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla you can see the antenna and the rear spoiler along with the chrome exhaust tips, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob you can open the trunk for easy access to cargo area. Looking at the cargo area you can see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a durable floor mat and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice the Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the cup holders as well as the bottle holders. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metallic interior trim. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustment double-stitched fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and power outlet. The Corolla is also equipped with dual glove compartments, a digital clock, and in-dash storage. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and power windows with driver's one touch down. The Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilt and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB port and aux ports. You also have a large climate control, and everything that you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.